The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Freestone County in central Texas, west central Leon County in central Texas, southeastern Limestone County in central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 4 miles southeast of Thornton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Lake Limestone around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Thornton, Farrar, Olathe, Fallon, Box Church, Doney, Freestone, and Jewett. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.